this off of here. Why, hey, Mitten. You awake this time? Are you awake, hon? Oh, good. At least I got my audience. Oh, I've got to turn the light on again. That dang it. There you go. Now, let's get back to what I was working on. Let me see. This is what I've been working on here. See, this was spacer goes here. Well, I didn't want to lose it. I didn't want to worry about losing it all the time, so I used JB weld. But I was aiming to use, I was going to weld. But my welder over here is not working. What feeds the wire out is messed up. The welder parts are good, just the part that feeds the wire out. Then I had some rods here I was going to use. You just use a torch and it'll weld that away. Well, I looked everywhere for it. I even looked, only place I ain't looked at that top shelf. I don't know why I can't find it. I keep everything in alphabetical order. See how neat it is? I don't know why. I keep everything in J for all my junk. But I couldn't. I looked everywhere. So I didn't find it. So I went to JB Weld. Max Garage Mahal, he also commented that he recommended using JB Weld. So it worked just fine. It works good. Thank you, Max. This, what you got to do, you just sand this off real good. And that's with a spacer I sand it to. And if you get it sand, and I put some putty around the bottom where this putty goes down at, just stuck it there. Then I mix up a bunch. You put an equal amount. You make two of spot. Get you a cardboard and put two piles on each side of each other. Just mix them together real good. Get a mix, and just put it around that. After you get it sand and everything. Then after it dries anywhere 15 to 24 hours, that's what it says on there. Once it sets up, then you can sand it, smooth it up, and you paint it. I just use black paint. I didn't want no rusting around there or nothing. And it's on the bottom. It's not going to hurt anything. This how it looks without the plate on there. You get to your spring, your pulleys, and you can help easier take your deck off if you need to. So this is the other thing I've been working on. I put me Ace. It's a outlet on it. Crowd bolt outlet on it. So you just plug it up here. Let me turn it on here. I put a switch on it. You don't have to put a switch on if you don't want to. That's up to you. And this is the air pump. And that's the reason I want it on there for air pump or anything I can use. Or you can plug a light up there to see better. Or when you're out there outside, you're not near your garage, you can take a pump out there and pump your tire up. And also you can do the other stuff to it. You can put a converter on it. This plugs right up to it too. See, it's a 120 watt. It's got 3 prong you can plug up. It's got USB. I get it right in a minute. And this is a 140 watt. It's got just a 2 prong for electric, and also got 1 USB on it. And this is the gauge of wire I used. I didn't use this. This is see what size it is. I think this is a 8. Yeah, you can't see it very good. It's 18. That's a 16. That's a 14. And I'm thinking what I used was this Krell gauge. It's real heavy wire. Look how bigger it is beside these wires. Let me get down here so you can compare it. Much bigger, heavy wire. That's what I use for that outlet, because I don't know what I have to be plugging up into that. I want to make sure you can handle it all right. But when you're using like a pump, anything like that, have your motor running, have your gas about at least halfway or 3/4, because you want it running, because you don't want to run your battery down. So let me show you how I wired it up. Where'd the paper go? It's in the folder here. Oh me, hard on me of being over. See, here it is. This is the way I wired it. Now you do it any way you want to. This is me. well, you got a black wire, you need to ground it to the frame, or wherever you want to ground it at. It's a black negative. And you got a red positive. Actually, this is a black one, and it's a white one. White one used for hot too. So I took it to the switch. Then took another wire from the switch, run it, and put a fuse holder in between those going to the solenoid here. I put a 1/4 amp fuse on it. You run down to the left side of the solenoid. I couldn't spell solenoid, but I could spell S. So I just put S there. I think I got it spelled right. Well, let me see now. What else I've been working on is, let me show you. I cut that off of my hitch back here. I bought that up some more. Also, Maximum Garage Hall, he commented on me and said I'd be better if I moved that up and make it handle better, and the wheel distributor weight better on your crater, your tongue of your crater and everything, and he's right. And it does look a whole lot better since I cut about 2 inches off of it. And that's as short as I can get it. I'm not going to leave that on there. I'll just put it on there for the video. And also, I put a new pan on it, a bigger pan. So that's what it does. That's great. It ain't, I can pull anything with that. So I reckon that's about it I've been working on. I was trying to think anything else I forgot. I reckon I forgot anything else. Well, that's been what I've been working on. So, thanks everyone for watching. This is Michael. I'll see you next time.